Hi, welcome to healthcoachpracticetest.com, and thank you so much for your interest in our highly rated study material. So the purpose of this video is to give you a walkthrough of the site and the system and how it works. So either you just bought our practice test or practice tests, or you're interested in purchasing but want to see how the system works. So let's jump in. So you have just purchased the exam, and maybe you stepped away and are coming back, and that's why you're seeing the sign in here. Or if you just purchased the exam, in the upper right hand corner, it'll say dashboard, and you'll click dashboard and you'll be directed to the dashboard if you end up on this page, which you probably won't. So we're going to take it from if you purchased and then you step away and you come back. So you would just go right up here to the sign in, click sign in, input the email that you bought the exam with, and the sign in link will be sent directly to your email. No need for a password, super easy. You click sign in, the link gets emailed to you. You go over to your email. You'll see the email, click sign in, and directly from there, you'll be redirected to your dashboard on our website. Okay, so in your dashboard, you'll see practice test 1, practice test 2. Mine says resume because I was already messing around with practice test 1 earlier. But if you haven't started them, it'll just say take practice test 1, take practice test 2. Here's your performance report. Once you've completed an exam attempt, you'll be able to see your performance report. And here are the question banks. So this is where if you're wanting to go back and review the questions, you can jump in and just look through all of them with the explanations there too. So it's a really great study tool. We're going to jump into test 2 very quickly. Short disclaimer here, just really gives you a rundown of what the exam entails, how it's similar to the MBHCBC exam, so you have the best study experience with that. And here you can see you can take it timed or untimed. We're going to jump into the untimed version quickly. Question pops up. This is a longer one, so you'll just need to scroll down a little bit to be able to see all the explanations, or sorry, all the answer options. If you're struggling and want to keep going, you can mark it, and that'll allow you to come back to it. You can see the ones that you've marked right here, and it'll allow you to jump back to those if you want to come back to it later. And you just select. If you would just select the option that you would like. If you right click on it, you can put a line through it if that's helpful for you as well. Okay, that is the official exam, or sorry, that's the official practice exam. So once you've taken it, you'll go back to your dashboard to go to the performance report. So here is the performance report for my most recent attempt. As you can see here, you have the percent accuracy for the whole exam. You have the percent accuracy per section here. And so we'll click on a section, the one, let's see, I got 90% here, so we'll click on that one. And that will take me directly to all of the incorrect answers that I got for this. And you can review per section the questions that you got wrong for each section, so you can really figure out which section you need to study for the most. We also have a visual here, total and correct. So these are the total number of questions. This is the number you got correct. Also, all of your missed questions are listed here. So the question ID is just that. So when you go back to the review all questions in the question bank, if you're going there, here you'll see that they're all in order where it says question 1. But if you go back to your performance report, that's what these ID numbers are. So this is 105 in the overall question bank, which you can use or not use. It's totally up to you. It doesn't affect the question at all. It's just an ordering thing because we got feedback that it would be helpful to shuffle the questions. People take our exams multiple times for study purposes, so shuffling them just allows for a better studying experience. Okay, I think that is everything. Feel free to email us if you have questions. If not, happy studying and good luck on the exam.